We also are going to talk about warrants out of Tucson City Court for failure to appear for several charges of possession of a prescription drug and theft. Did you have the right to remain silent? Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to be represented by an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you. I'm going to appoint the Pima County Legal Defender's Office to represent you in the felony, and the state is asking for $500,000 bond. Mr. Poston?
Your Honor, we're looking for the high bond because this person is alleged to have been in the backseat of a vehicle driven by another party, and she and her accomplice forced the driver at gunpoint to basically do as they told her to do. The level of risk cannot be overstated. The defendant's actions also, during the course of this, there was a person that died. We've got an NVCA yes flag, a 4 and a 6, and I see history of failing to appear ×4, very recent cases. And given the charges and the fact that it's a violent felony, the state believes this person is a risk to the community and has no reason to stick around because of, if she was to be released, because of the risk.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. It looks like Mr. Ramirez has no, according to my notes, has no prior felony, no prior violent felony. Sorry. She's saying that she has a job as an employee, Your Honor. And also is attending school, according to Ms. Ramirez. And she has been a 6-year resident of Tucson. So I think a bond of no more than $75,000 would be appropriate.
All right, so Mr. Ramirez, I am going to order that you be held on $75,000 cash or secured bond, pretrial services if posted. Based on the nature of the offense, I'm finding that you are a threat to the community and a threat to the victims in this case. Your next court date is October 28th at 1:30 p.m. in Pima County Justice Court. If you post that bond, you have to, we'll stay in touch with your attorney. It may not happen on that exact date. No alcohol or illegal drugs, no firearms or weapons, no contact with the alleged victim in this case. And then for your city court matters, and justice court, yeah. So we have city court and justice court. So Ms. Ramirez, you need to do a better job of getting to court. I'm going to allow you to be released on your signature to appear for the city court matters. But you need to get there or you're going to keep getting arrested on that warrant. Your next court date is November 15th at 9 a.m. in front of Judge Hale, Tucson City Court. No alcohol or illegal drugs. Do not go to the alleged incident location of the theft. And then the justice court matters for shoplifting. I'll release you on your promise to appear in those cases. Do not go to the alleged incident location. No alcohol or illegal drugs. Next court date is also, do you want it this, can we, same date? The 15th? Oh. Mhm. Okay, that's the same date as city court though. Okay, so we're gonna do November 14th at 8:30 a.m. You don't have cases on the same day. That's in front of Judge Roberts in Pima County Justice Court for that shoplift. You need to appear or a warrant can issue for your arrest. And then we'll do the same thing for the other shoplifting. You're going to be released on your promise to appear. Next court date, November 14th at 8:30 a.m. in front of Judge Roberts. No alcohol or illegal drug location. All right. So Ms. Ramirez, do you understand all of that?
Yes.
All right. That's all for today. You're excused.